Hello, my name is Juan Reese with RaisingCane.shop. That is www.raisingcane.shop. And I have, since a couple of weeks ago, started to introduce a brand new cane into the US market that is actually produced in Europe and has been around in Europe for a couple of years and designed with the help of many blind people throughout different countries. Now, I have to say, this is, as of now, in my opinion, the most durable and lightest cane in the US market now. It is designed by a company named Swarovski in the Czech Republic, and every blind person that I hand this cane to falls in love with it. It's almost like love at first touch. Now let's go over some of the features of this cane. First of all, let's start at the top. There is nothing like touching something that is pleasant at the touch of a hand. And it starts off with the wooden handle. Nice, soft beech wood handle with the flat side so you can hold your index finger, if that's how you choose to use your cane. Feels nice, very light. Then we follow it down. It is a carbon fiber cane with an epoxy hardener to make it more durable. Now, typically with carbon fiber canes, you have a problem where the joints become damaged after time. With this cane, that is no longer the problem, as it is designed with rings at the joints, soft aluminum rings at the joints, so that when the cane comes together, as you can see, you hear that soft aluminum. It protects the carbon fiber so it doesn't fray, it doesn't get damaged. Very long lasting. Second of all, the joints are designed to not stick. What a pain it is when a cane sticks. People do not need to struggle with canes that are sticking at the joints. So this cane will not stick on you. Will not stick. Very smooth to fold. The joints are silver, where the rings are at, where the soft aluminum metal rings are at. The rest of the cane is white. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a 5-section cane. Folds up very nicely. 1. At the top by the handle, we have the same string, elastic string, like we do on most canes. Fits nice and tightly. One of the other features of these new canes that are in the market is that the string, the bungee string in the middle that holds the pieces together, does not wear out soon. We have a lot of problem with mini canes on the market where the string wears out. This one is not the case. So, pull it out, no problem. Folding it, smooth, beautiful, long lasting. Some of these canes last a substantially long time. In one rare case, I have heard of a cane that has lasted 11 years. Now we just saw the cane, folding cane with a wooden option for a handle. Now, another option that we have is same folding cane, different handle. Beautiful leather handle. It feels very nice, it feels pleasant. Again, the blind person is touching this handle all the time. It should be a comfortable and pleasant feel. It does make it a little heavier, but it sure feels nice. Same thing, same joints, different handle. So another cane that we have, this one requires a little bit of anticipation. So here it is. You see the package. All my canes come in a nice package, and then voila, we have a cane. Carbon fiber with epoxy hardener. Soft aluminum rings at the joints to protect the carbon fiber. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sections. But this is not just your typical 5-section cane. The top section has a unique feature where it is telescopic. You can adjust the cane to the length that you want it to be. First, you twist to loosen, adjust to the height that you want, and then tighten it back up. And now you have the ideal choice for the child that you're working with or the occasion that you find yourself in. It may be that you are hiking and therefore you need a longer cane, or it may be that you're in a crowded space and you need a shorter cane. But nevertheless, it is adjustable at the top, easy to fold, absolutely light, feels beautiful in your hands, and easy to store away and continue doing what you need to do. And here they are, all 3 canes that I presented. The one with the wooden handle, folding, leather handle, also folding, and the one with the telescoping feature on the top. Raising Cane believes that the cane is a tool of perception and precision, a delicate tool to give you as much information as possible about your environment. And these are the canes that feel great at the first time you touch them, the first time you hold them. You want to keep on holding it. You want to take one home with you. With canes, we feel it is the same as if you were choosing another product. You have some products that do the job and some other products that do the job exceptionally well. And these are the canes that do exceptionally well, well built, long lasting, feel good in the hand, a cane of quality, raising the expectations of what a cane should be. Thank you for taking the time to visit me here at my virtual booth. Feel free to call me at 951-790-2661. Once again, 951-790-2661. Chat with me, ask me questions. You can order by telephone, and you can order also on my website at www.raisingcane.shop. That is www.raisingcane.shop.